Hello, my name is Selena. I am a postpartum doula and sexual wholeness mentor in Manhattan, New York. I am part of the dual program for sex therapy, and this is my third class, third specific to social work with the online program with, I assume, the rest of you. What has been my experience with research learning? I'm a medical school dropout. So I've done some research in that field. I was originally studying genetics and decided not to go that way. As far as the syllabus and how that looks to me, I'm really excited to learn how to make proposals for research papers. I've done a lot of work engaging with other people's research, but have never done anything on my own accord, and I'm very much looking forward to diving into that, and of course through this class learning how to do that. Have a long ticker tape of projects that I would love to make official and research, so very excited about that. And as far as what can make this class fun, each other. I'm really looking forward to getting to meet all of you and be in class with all of you and seeing everyone's personalities begin to shine and everyone working together to make this a positive experience. So nice to meet you all and looking forward to having a great term. Cheers.